And the violence has had an impact on 2 schools out west. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that report.
A day after the Grange Hill community was rocked by gun violence, leaving 7 dead and 12 injured, here's what the schoolyard of the Grange Hill Primary School looks like. On Wednesday, at least 80% of 465 students turned up for the morning shift, but today, only 45 students were present. 10-year-old Nicoy Bourne, who was killed Tuesday night, attended this school. Principal Clayton Smith says the news was shocking.
Nicoy is a very courteous young man. He didn't have to come to the principal for any misdemeanor. He was loved by his peers, and so I imagine what school will be like without him.
39 students turned up for classes on the afternoon shift. The Ministry of Education has arranged for counseling sessions for the students. But Mr. Smith says getting past Nicoy's death will be extremely difficult.
I have teachers who are living in the community. One particular teacher was a neighbor, and she wept openly. And other teachers live just down the road, from where all of this was happening in Sterling.
Just down the street, the Grange Hill High School.
We had just under 25% attendance yesterday. Today, just above 3%. Actual figure, 27 students with approximately 800 on a day like this.
The situation is one which the principal deems the worst in years. He added that the time of the incident is also a concern.
C6 starts in a few days. Well, one of my teachers said it actually is in a few hours. Final preparation, we would be in earnest at this time. We have been asking for C6 students to turn up tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Math camp that normally scheduled at this time of the year, it is still on.
At least one student has been directly impacted by ongoing violence in the area.
We have started the discussion with CSEC office to activate the protocol that will allow our students to do exams somewhere else under this kind of circumstance.
He also commended the Ministry of Education for continuous support. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.